If you want to learn how to make this baguette, better pay attention to Richard Bertinet.
If he's wrong, I get closer.
No.
There.
I think I'm feeling it.
Stop shaking.
Guten Morgen, everyone. Guess where I am? I am at Richard's Bertinet kitchen again, here in Bath, in England. And this is his shop. Beautiful. But let's see if I can find him somewhere. Maybe it's downstairs. Richard, oh, haha, how are you?
You're already dressed. Oh, here. I see you, my friend.
Yeah.
You good?
Excellent.
Flour
Nice to
already.
see you again. Yeah, already dirty.
You been practicing?
I think so. Thank you for having me again.
Welcome back.
Your kitchen's been a long time, like 2 years, no?
It feels like yesterday.
Yes, I think it was yesterday. But this time I'm back because I want to learn your secret recipe of the baguettes.
Well, it's not a secret, but you know, it's more about the dough, really. So I always say, if you make good dough, you make good bread. So at the same time, we're going to make the dough by hand. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So I can see if you make any progress from last time.
Mm-hmm. I did some homework. I've been practicing. I don't know. So yes, so we're going to use your method again of mixing the dough, showing who's the
Show the
boss.
dough's boss, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, so that should be fun.
Well, so what do we have?
Very simple. Flour, yeast, salt and water. And we use sea salt, of course, not table salt. There's no authorities, there's nothing like that. It just make the dough.
Your hands and the dough.
Your hand
and the table.
And then the table. And that's it. And
And
scraper.
me.
And you today.
Let's go.
And we'll start it. So I got about 1 kilo strong batch flour. It's organic one. It's new one. So I just got it today, this one from Dove Farm. So I'm going to try with 720 of water.
That's the hydration, okay?
That's the hydration.
Around 70.
72.
50 is okay.
50. You make basketball with it. So the first thing we'll do is to put the yeast in there, and in my hand, squash it out.
This is fresh yeast.
That's fresh yeast. We can use dried yeast also. You know, it's absolutely fine. Mix it a bit, and then my salt goes in there. So the water, 720, straight in.
Straight. No bassinage, nothing.
Well, bassinage is what we call bassinage. The reality is when you make your dough, you need to add more water. That's bassinage. You add more water halfway through your mixing or something. Contre bassinage, you add flour to it.
I like that.
So now your body is a machine. Do you remember this? Mm-hmm. So your left hand turn the bowl, and that's it. That's like your dough hook inside. What I don't do is put your hand in there. People don't like it to stick.
From the beginning.
From the beginning, it's crazy. So you keep your hand clean all the time. So I can tell already, I can put more water in there, no problem at all. There's some water for me there.
No, just a little. Oh. No. It's your imagination.
You just added 100 grams of water.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No, this was...
No, there's 100 grams you just added there.
Are we in trouble?
I won't be, you will be.
So now we are in which hydration?
82%, as you call it, or
82%.
Or 820 grams.
No, it's a sticky dough. But you show in the dough who's the boss. I think so.
The dough is boss at the moment, I tell you.
The dough is the boss.
You put the water, now I'm gonna have my fun now.
And I cannot wet my hands, nothing.
No.
No more flour.
No. Hang on.
All the dough, nothing left.
Everything.
See you.
Ciao, bello.
Let's see what I can do now. It's really sticky. Are you sure this is okay? Don't look at me.
I am.
Ooh, I started, okay.
Oh my God, there's dough everywhere already. Jesus. Look, it's on the floor. What can you do?
I don't know, scream or run.
Ooh. Back, move your body back. I'll show you.
Yeah, show me, please.
So you can see the dough is sweaty, so that's a lot of water.
A lot of
on
water,
this one.
yes.
So to get it clean off the table, that's going to be a bit tricky, this one.
That's why I told you not to add more water.
Yeah, exactly. Like any dough, you can leave it in the bowl overnight, and then tomorrow you can work with it.
Yes, Fox.
A few moments later.
Richard, you're still here. It's been like around 10 minutes.
Yes, thank you. You had a good time, yeah?
Yeah, so I brought you some wine, and what happened?
What's happened is I've been working the dough, you know. Bloody hell.
Let me finish it.
And take the glory. I see. Sideways. Don't rush. Don't rush to go over the top.
Okay.
You stretch first, and then you go over the top. Lift. Go backwards. Hold your thumb in here together.
Ooh.
As you go forward, you separate your thumb. Good. Back in again. Now look at my hand now. Don't look down. Go. 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 Trust your hand. That's better already. Sideways. What stops you doing it is your eyes. If you don't look at it, no, wrong. If it's wrong, I get closer. No. You overthink it.
Yeah.
Relax, relax.
Okay, I think it's your hand.
Have you seen the film Ghost? There. There. Move back. Stretch over the top. Back in. There.
I think I'm feeling it.
Stop shaking. It's better, better, better. But you're too tight. You see, you're as relaxed as a chimpanzee in water. Good, good, good. Relax. Keep your top on top. So when you scrape, never do this.
Okay.
Keep the top on top, like this. See? That's walking the dough. We call it walking the dough. See?
So yes, keep it on walking.
So the top doesn't stick.
Yeah.
So if you know where your top is, you never get stuck to the dough. So you can move a lot more dough. Okay, take it with you. So walk. No, the other way. Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Have you seen the clock before?
Yes.
Good.
There.
Keep walking, keep walking. That's better.
Wow.
Now turn your body the other way. That's it, and take it with you now. That's it. Very good, very good, very good.
At least one thing. Let me practice a little bit more for the next video. Okay. Finally, we did it.
I did it.
Good morning. Here's the dough.
So the dough, you've seen what's happened to it, and then for about 2 hours, then we give it a turn,
At room temperature.
room temperature, and we just push it back down a bit. And then we put a plastic bag over the top like this, and then put it in the fridge. So that's been 24 hours, 18 hours, up to 24 hours. It's
At
okay.
what temperature? Around 5 degrees?
5 degree, normal fridge, normal fridge. So you can see what's happened there. There's a lot of condensation inside. That's dough's breathing. The gluten, the structure of the dough. If you do this, and you can see how beautiful that is in here.
Yeah. The gluten network.
Yeah. So that's the top of our dough. But you can see. So also I teach people, your hand is an amazing tool. This gives you texture, and this gives you temperature. So if you do this with the back of your hand, and this is very different feeling.
Yeah.
And then the scraper again. So just release the side of the dough like this. Look at this.
Wow.
It's good, isn't it?
Amazing.
I love this. You never get bored of this. Don't touch it. And the dough come clean inside.
And the weight is around.
200 grams, yeah.
200.
Yeah. So I do strip like this.
You bake them if they're all different.
Exactly.
You're going to have problem. Perfect.
So there, and then we just use a bit of, you can use semolina flour, just a tiny bit of semolina.
That's a little bit Italian.
Well, in my old days, we used to cherry stone. So from cherry, they used to make like sawdust with it. That's what we used to use. So like this, make sure you go both way a little bit so it doesn't
Both
stick.
ways.
And then as you do this in here, you already get your, what I call the spine in here, okay? So all your strands, it's got to be in the spine. So dough is there, you can do a quick fold there like this. There, turn around, and then this one goes over the top in here, like this, into the center. One more time if you want to. Seal there, and then 2,
Finish it.
3, just if you want pointy hand like this, your top is there, and your spine is underneath.
Don't take a look at this
Put
one.
it over there,
Mine goes here. Can I do some more flouring?
in here, not there.
Hey, wait a minute. There's something that I have to tell you. While we were recording this video with Richard, we also recorded something incredible that you can't miss. We have recorded a new masterclass. Yes, if you're a beginner or you are an expert in bread baking, you need to watch this class, in which you will learn everything, but everything about bread. Richard, as you might know, is one of the most influential bakers in the world. And then there's me. Richard is going to unveil the secret to his all-purpose sweet dough. With it, he will teach you how to make the most incredible baguette vinoise, fruity tin loaves, donuts, and one of my favorites, the baked brie in brioche. And then I am going to introduce you into the sourdough world. First, I will teach you how to build your own sourdough starter from scratch, and with it we're going to bake the best country loaf and also the crispiest baguettes you've ever eaten. So if you really want to learn, you don't have to miss this masterclass. Remember that the link is in the description and you can click it and start it right now. And now you can continue with this video.
Are we ready?
Yeah, so honestly, they've been 25 minutes now, okay? So,
Wow. Now I don't know which one is yours and which one is mine.
do you want me to tell you?
No, don't say that.
So,
Excellent.
we're going to put a tiny bit of this on top, just a tiny bit of this.
I love your Italian touch.
What is, not Italian. I'm French. What are you talking about Italian? I love Italy, but that's because I do this is Italian, is it?
You're using semolina.
Yeah, because it's nice on the pill, because it's not Italian. So you do your first, okay? So you go there, you know to do it, yeah? There and there.
Okay, I'm doing your work.
No, you do yours. What is this? What animal is this? No, that's yours. Hang on. Gee.
Don't show it.
No. This lime in here, I've had this one since I'm in apprentice when I was 18. They are sharp if you pull, but if you do this, they're fine. Load them properly by going like this.
It has to bend.
And there's a bend like a fork. Okay. And then you can hold it like this way or this way.
The cut should be
You can
deep
cut from,
or
it should be
in angle.
45 degrees.
45 degrees.
Okay, not like this. So you go there, you cut like this. Or you can do it this way. You see, if you hold your baguette there, like this. You go on a straight line. More than one cut, then it's like this, like this, like this.
And you can see all the bubbles. It's going to be the dough.
So put your first force one, load from left to right in here. I put mine over there.
So the oven is already preheated at what temperature?
Yeah, we're at 240 on this one.
240, okay.
That's 60 years old. There's no steam with this one.
So go right on the left.
Look, bit of steam. So fine mist, not too much water, so the heat suck up. That's enough.
So that was some kind of artisan steam.
It's homemade.
Homemade.
Okay, that's not scary, you know.
Yeah.
It's nice to have a big oven when you press a button, you got steam and the rest, you know. But like, people always ask me, how do you get a good crust to stay? You know, when we say in the oven, we got a damper, you know. So you got the trap at the back, so you can get dry heat in your oven, so you get a better crust. At home, you got to open your door slightly, leave it a bit longer.
But you can do this perfectly at with your home.
Yeah, you open your oven and put a cloth or a wooden spoon, keep it running and leave it on cold, on dry heat, and it's fine.
Ready?
I've had this open for the last 5 minutes.
Okay.
More crust, okay?
Ooh. Whoa.
Mine. C3 doesn't work. It's good,
Excellent.
good, look.
Beautiful. Oh, take a look at this one. This is mine.
Yeah, beautiful. So you see your cut's gonna be deep enough. I always say every baguette's got a story. So this one is not deep enough. And the shaping, that's the one we just roll. So there was no tension in the dough. Yeah.
Yes.
La croûte chante in French. Singing crust.
The singing crust, yes.
Beautiful sound. In the bakery when I was young, you empty the whole oven and you put it in a tray, and it's quiet at night, you know. And all you hear is 100 baguette.
And the baguette.
This, amazing.
Incredible. Oh, sorry.
There's a knife for this. Okay, so let's see. Nice.
It's still steaming. Oof.
It's too hot, so the texture will open up as you cool down as well. So that's like
Starches are not yet
yeah, you need to cool down.
gelatinized. Yes, but beautiful crumb.
A strong flour, this one, new flour. So
I can't believe you made a baguette out of the dough that I encased.
well, thanks for you. That's what's really hard to digest. It's got to cool down first.
Does it have a name in French?
Crognon.
Crognon.
No, not crognon. Crouton.
Ah, crouton. You almost forgot.
I forgot my French.
French bread without butter, it's not French. Oh, thank you.
Cheers.
Oh.
Good.
Ah. You really know what you're doing.
Thanks to you. Some butter and a tiny bit of bread to go with it. Thank you. Cheers.
Okay, Richard, thank you for having me again in your kitchen, second time, and there's going to be a third time, but I will prepare myself a little bit better.
This is very well.
And if they want to learn more, they can come here to your kitchen.
Come here.
Bath. And if you want more information, check the links in the description. So we'll see you on the next video.
À bientôt.
I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn more about sourdough bread and sourdough starter, I encourage you to check the link on the description. And remember, this masterclass was especially designed for you.